Welcome back children and have a wonderful morning. Yesterday we learned number names 5, 6, 7 and 8 and today we will revise the same topic and then write the same number names in our notebook. Now we will revise number names 5, 6, 7 and 8. Hey children, which number is this? Yes, this is number 5. And how many duckies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. F-I-V-E 5. One more time. F-I-V-E 5. Next number is number 6. So tell me children, how many balloons can you see here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. S-I-X 6. Repeat after me children. S-I-X 6. Which number is this? Very good. Number 7. And how many kitties are there? Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. S-E-V-E-N 7. Once again, S-E-V-E-N 7. And this is number 8. And you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. E-I-G-H-T 8. Repeat after me children. E-I-G-H-T 8. So children, now we will write number names 5, 6, 7 and 8 in our notebook. But before that, we have to write today's date and heading. And today's date is 8.12.20. And now for the heading, we have to write number names. For that, we have to write capital N, U, M, V, E, R, one finger space, again capital N, A, M, E, S. Number names. So children, now we will write number names 5, 6, 7 and 8. For that, we have to draw one standing line and one sleeping line like this. Okay. So now first we will write number name 5. For that we have to leave one line and then make a dot in the first box and write number 5. Okay. And then dash and write number name 5. F I V E. F-I-V-E 5. Once again, F-I-V-E 5. And now to write number name 6, we have to first make a dot after standing line, then write number 6, then dash and write number name 6. S I X 6. SIX 6. After number name 6, we have to write number name 7. For that, we have to leave one line below the sleeping line and make a dot. Then write number 7. Then dash and number name 7. S E V E N 7. Once again, S E V E N 7. And last number name is 8. Again dot, then number 8, then dash and number name 8. E I G H T 8. EIGHT 8. So children, you all have to write like this and complete the page. We will meet soon with some new concept. Till then, bye-bye.